So in the recent few weeks, through multiple rumors and reports, we have been hearing a lot about the Sony's upcoming flagship, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7. However, now finally Sony steps in and now we have received its confirmed launch date alongside its official leaked renders, camera details and more. So let's get into it. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So as per the official announcement, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 will go official on the 13th of May at 11 Japan time. Now talking about the first official leaked renders, the Xperia 1 Mark 7 will come in 3 colorways. And yes, the much awaited purple is back alongside black and green. Talking about the design, no surprises here, Sony is retaining its iconic look and we have already seen this thanks to earlier on leaks CAD-based renders. I have already made a video on that, feel free to check that out. The camera island is still the same, however the size of the camera rings seems slightly bigger. Further, it is also confirmed Sony will continue to use VII coating on camera lenses. Speaking of the cameras, the ultra-wide sensor will see one of the biggest improvements. So as per the leaked marketing material, the ultra-wide sensor will be 2.1 times larger than before. Here for reference, the Xperia 1 Mark 6 came with a 0.4 inches sensor size. So this means the upcoming Mark 7 will feature a massive 0.84 inches sensor size. And as we know, a bigger sensor means it can capture more details. Besides, there will be a new 120mm macro mode for close-up shots. For the other camera features, the Xperia 1 Mark 7 will feature auto framing, which follows the subject and capture wide and close-up shots at the same time, an AI camera feature for stabilization and keep the subject centered. Also, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 will be backed by Walkman paired with other Sony audio techs, so we can expect audio improvements. For the other major specs, there will be the same 5000 mAh of battery and the top-notch Snapdragon 8 Elite Chipset. So finally, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 is almost here. Let me know what are your thoughts down in the comment section. And please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.